awesome real estate news from the best place on earth, Miami, because construction on the PALMA Miami Beach Residences might start before the end of this 2024. And this 14-story building will feature 126 mostly furnished 1 and 2 bedroom condos ranging from 405 to 886 square feet. And there are also plans for several penthouses, the largest of which will be approximately 1,300 square feet, and residents will enjoy amenities like a fitness center, a swimming pool, a game lounge, and outdoor kitchen. And prices for these homes are set to start around $650,000, although that could change as development progresses, of course. And on top of the residential spaces, the project will include 8,500 square feet of retail space, and the developers are lefters, and they own a 0.63 acre site and aims to complete the 127,000 square foot building by 2026. I predict these condos will sell very, very quickly because they are definitely targeting first-time home buyers as well as empty nesters who travel frequently and might rent out their units while they're away traveling. And the design and aesthetics are being handled by Studio Ramirez with Build Form as the architect. The site currently is a parking lot, as you can see here. So if you're looking for a new home in Miami-Dade County, PALMA Miami Beach Residences could be worth to look at. If you have any questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all our videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.